going home anymore. We may just have to hang around here. I want to be very brief. I came for this dinner to escort my sister, Mother Karoa, because where we come from, the work of boys is to take care of their sisters. So I've come here to escort my sister and to make sure she is safe. So kama kuna mtu alikuwa na jama ya kupangia yeye, ni mimi na wewe. So our sister Mother Karua, thank you for asking us to accompany you here to come and talk to these people about business opportunities, about their lives here, and how we can engage back home so that we improve the lives of our people. And I say this morning that you guys are great, and you left Kenya to look for opportunities because we don't have sufficient opportunities in Kenya. And we all cannot sit in Kenya and keep on crying to each other. Those who are able to move out there and get better opportunities to improve their lives, it is the best thing to do. It is my position that the Diaspora Brigade is a very important component of our country's development and economic growth. In the 70s, number one foreign exchange earner for our country was coffee. In the 80s, number one foreign exchange earner was tea. In the 90s, number one foreign exchange earner was tourism. All that has been bypassed, and as we speak today, number one foreign exchange earner for our country is the remittances from the diaspora. So you good people are a very important component of our economic development. And it is my position, those of us who have some dairy cows, the cow that gives you milk, you must look after it. You don't just give it hay. You make sure it has dairy meal, it has lucerne. Nowadays, we even have mattresses so that they are able to sleep well. We have even gone a notch further. We play for them country music, Ken Rogers and Don Williams, so that they continue producing the milk. You don't shout at the cow, it will refuse to give you milk. So any serious leader, any serious government must take care of number one foreign exchange earner in our country, the Diaspora Brigade. So we are looking for a very serious partnership with diaspora so that we can grow our country. I know that you are feeling the weight of the high cost of living in Kenya, even as you are here, because I'm aware sufficiently that you take care of families back home. And therefore you know that the shopping you used to do with 10,000 3 years ago, now you need 30,000. So isn't it true? So in fact, forget about what people at the Treasury say about economic growth. Oh, we have 5.6% economic growth. Oh, the rate of inflation has gone down by 4%. If you want to know whether there is economic growth in Kenya or economic decline, talk to the diaspora people, they'll tell you. They only need to know how much they are spending as opposed to how much they were spending 3 years ago. And then they know that the economy is on decline. So we have a challenge as a country to get our country back on economic recovery and to restore our civil liberties. As we speak today, we are witnessing the highest level of violation of human rights ever witnessed since independence. And that is what Honorable Mother Karua and ourselves are fighting. So you know the situation back home. I don't want to speak much because we have our chief guest to speak. And I want to say we are around for a while to listen to the ground. You know, listen to the Kenyan people here, because you tell us what the Kenyans are telling you. But one thing I must request you, the fight to liberate our country and to restore our dignity is not an easy one. We seek your partnership. In your own small way, you have a voice back home. Any pay slip holder, anybody who changes the life of one or two people have some influence. You have great influence back home. Talk to the people back home whom you support and tell them to join us in the struggle to liberate our country and to restore the dignity of the middle class, to restore the dignity of the payslip holder, to restore the dignity of the Kenyan people. And once you do that, you will have played a very important role in the liberation struggle that we are on, to make sure that we have a government that listens to the people, we have a government that is accountable, that is transparent, we stop theft of public resources, we stop violation of human rights, and we respect our democracy and allow people to say what they must say. Kwa hivyo mimi sitaki nipitishe kutoka hapo, niko area kwa muda, na sina haraka ya kuondoka, unless munifukuze. Na vile mumenitreat tangu nifika jana, I think I should have come here a bit earlier. I should have come here a bit earlier. So tumeshukuru sana. Na bebetofu duka rehemu hayo wa Kenya huko. These are very serious people. These are very serious business people. Katigo. Eh? And of course, our great son Samido has also been around here. He's a great guy. We really love his music. And you know, the other day they were trying to coerce these musicians to go and sing for them and lie to the people of Kenya that Shah is working. And I told them, you musicians, that is not your work. Your work is to sing for us so that we can sleep well. Yeah? Your work is to entertain us when we are relaxing, trying to struggle with what Kasongo has taken us through. So there is no you can be with the Kasongo and then you are coming to sing to the same people who are frustrated by Kasongo, isn't it? And these musicians, especially those from our region, 90% of their songs, and that is why we like them, are about love and relationships. Stick to that agenda. It's a good agenda. Sindio? It's about love, courtship, broken marriages, the normal things of life. As long as our artists stick to their script to sing for us the songs that we know, then they are on the right track. But we don't need musicians to come and tell us that the roads are being constructed. We can see them or not, isn't it? Do you need a musician to tell you Shah is not working? I mean, so I think Kasongo and Soprano had gotten it wrong. You know, because they have, you know, wamejaribu kutudanganya, wameona hatusikii, wanasema watafute akina Samido watudanganye. So Samido usiangukie hiyo mtego. Kenyans are too smart to be cheated by anybody. And even musicians cannot cheat them. Wamepita hiyo kiwango. So nyinyi mtuibie mambo ya mapenzi. Na vile tutaishi pamoja, si ndio? Si ndio? Sasa muko tayari tumkaribishe kiongozi wetu? Yeah? You know, when I looked at the way things are going in Kenya and the struggle that we are having with Kasongo, I thought that I needed to go and look for my sister because she has been at it for a longer time than all of us. You know, she has really fought for the liberation of our country for many years. And I went looking for her. I went to her house in Kirinyaga and said, my sister, I've come. This battle is not easy. We need all of us to be together. And she was very, very, very receptive. She was very loving. She listened to me and said, my brother, let's walk this journey together. So when I was told she's coming here in Seattle for this dinner, I said, I cannot allow her to be alone. I said, I cannot let her to be alone. Yeah. So before I call the Honorable Mother Karoa, do you want to hear from Mama Boys? Yes. Yeah? So I know she has been here several times. She's actually the one who has dragged me here. Say there are great people in Seattle, please come and talk to them. Mungetaka aseme jambo. Yes. Pastor Doka.
Good evening. Bwana asifiwe. Thank you very much, People's Deputy President, our bigger sister, and our friend, Honorable Mother Karoa, and the committee that has prepared this place, Baby Top, and our son, Samido. I believe that tonight is going to be a good night, and because we don't want to take very long, he has already spoken, and our sister is about to speak for the purposes of saving time. I just want to greet my boys who are here as Mama Boys. How are you? Are these women treating you right? If they are don't worry. We are going to have a talk. And I'm sure they are going to treat you right. And you know, mothers are very important. When you see women, you see the future because they give birth to all of us. And therefore, they ought to be respected and honored. And women, when we give birth, we must respect and honor and make sure that every one of us has equal opportunity. And when you see these men, they are the seed carriers, just take care of them. It is a mother speaking. God bless you.
Muko tayari